So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing something special. Today we're gonna install the part that I had for a long time. Today we're gonna install the IAG air oil separator. I've had this for a while now. I just didn't have time to install it. So you guys can see this is a used one that I picked up. Came from a 2021 STI. So if you have a 2008 and up STI, they all have the same IAG air oil separator. So like I said, this part is used. Pretty much all of the hoses are pre-routed and pre-cut, so this should be an easy install. I already removed the intercooler and some of the hoses, so if you guys want to see a full detailed install of an IAG air oil separator, if you look up on YouTube, IAG has its own specific video for installing an IAG air oil separator. So finally got the old PCV piece out. So this is the old PCV, and then where this came from, we're gonna install this. I just put zip tie because the old clamps are so hard to put it back, so we're just gonna use zip tie for this. This piece will go right over here, right over there. So AOS has been installed with the bracket. So now the next thing that we're gonna do is route all these hoses and connect them to the proper ports. As you can see, I already took out the harness, installed the harness bracket. AOS now in place, and let's connect all these hoses. finally installed. That's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.